Hi, this is the Google Pixel Fold and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC option on this device. Open first the Settings app, then tap to Connected Devices and click to Connection Preferences section. Tap to NFC and just to activate this option or to turn it off, we should click on this switcher. So also we could make it by another way, just open the control panel and to add here NFC option, click to this edit icon. Scroll down, find NFC, OK. So unfortunately we have no here NFC option to add it, so we got only one way how we could activate it. Turn it off in connected devices, connection preferences, and here in NFC section. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.